Hello friends, as we have seen some information about the city Troy. That Troy was surrounded by three-sided vast sea, and from one side it was Mount Ida. That Mount Ida was supplying water continuously for the Trojans, so that farmers were getting lot of information from the farm. Plus, even that cattle were feeding on that year vast that meadow, green meadow, and even that it was that means these farmers they were doing some business also with another cities means another these countries. They were sending their productions to another city and they were taking from these countries some goods from that another countries to their Troy city. In this way, that farmers, businessmen, soldiers, common people, all they were very much happy and happily they were living in the Troy city. But what happened to this city means this story. Before starting this story, it is better to us to see the characters from this story. Here, the character means the first is Paris. Paris means who is a prince of Troy. Then, second main character means Helen. Helen means she is wife of a Greek king Menelaus. Means these are two main characters which give that here turning point to this story. Then next is Menelaus. Menelaus means who is king of Greek. And next is here character Hector. Hector means a great soldier or a hero of Troy city. And next is Achilles. Achilles means also he is a great soldier or a hero of Greek people. Here, in this way, these are some main characters from this story. And now the story begins. The story begins with what that say. Paris means a prince of Troy. Once he visited to Greek, and as that year he was wandering through that year Greek, by chance, by accidentally, he came in contact with Helen. Helen means wife of a Greek king Menelaus. At that year, in first sight, both they fallen in love to each other. And at that year, very secretly, they were meeting and they were discussing. And in their sitting secretly meeting, they decided to go to Troy. That means that Paris became succeed to pursue Helen to elope to Troy. And as they are planning, they came to Troy. As that year, this news spread all over the Greek. The Greek people became very much angry because that Paris had done wrong with their king, and so that it is a they thought that here it is insult of all Greek people. It is insult of not only king, but it is an insult of all people and Greek citizens and all Greek that civilization and Greek cultures. So that they decided to take a revenge on Troy. So they sailed their ships, they sailed their thousands of ships to for that year Troy. And these ships, they, their ships were full with soldiers and their weapons. And as that they sailed their ships, they came on the seashore of the Troy. But Troy people were not afraid because they knew very well. Because around the city Troy there was a big great wall was there, and this wall was that here it is not possible to break down very easily, so that here soldiers and plus that common people all they were very much that here happily living inside the city. But here outside the seashore was covered with only ships and ships, because that many soldiers they reached at the seashore of that Troy, and even that Greek people and Greek soldiers they settled down their tents at the beach, and as that they were thinking how to break down the great wall and how to start the war against the Troy, so that and at last the war began. The Trojans were they were opening the great their gate, and they were coming out to fight against the Greek soldiers. And in the evening again they were coming inside, and they were closing very tightly the great gate. But Trojans also, even that here Greek people means Greek soldiers they also fought very bravely, and they tried very hard to break that great gate and plus that wall also. And in this way that what here that morning in the morning the Trojans were coming out, and these Greek soldiers they were coming out from their tents with ready for fight. In this way continuously it was fight between Trojans and Greeks. But the Trojans could not that break down the siege of the Greek soldiers, and Greek soldiers also failed to break down the great wall and enter in the Troy. So in this way continuously and tiresome that war that went on for 9 years. The this war was this war was continuously for 9 years. Both sides the army were tired of this war. Sometimes there was a great war between two armies. Sometimes there was a war between two great heroes from the Troy city and from Greek soldiers. And in this way it was fighting went on. At last the great hero of Greek, that means Hector, Hector was killed by Achilles, and for after 9 years, and Achilles also was he was also very great, he was very brave, and none could fight against him. But at last by the poison arrow by accidentally that dashed to his heel, and in that wound he was that end of his life. In this way this war was continuously for 9 years went on. And here Trojan people were also means common people and all people they were also very that tired. They also wanted to go on that here open land, that means open seashore, and to enjoy as that year previously they were enjoying. Because 9 years continuously they were packed inside the city. They that year it was not that year nobody has that permission to go outside the gate, And plus here that Greek soldiers were also, they were away from their homes, from their families about 9 years. So they were also that missing their family members, and they were also very eager to go back to their Greek, to their home. But it was a question of their prestige. Without that, without ending the war, how can they give up that war? So that both sides, that war was going on for bravely for their prestige, and plus Greeks were that not ready to go back because it was a great insulted by Paris. There means that the Greek peoples, that Helen was that stolen. That stolen means that here that eloped to Troy, and it was a great insult of Greek people. So they were also not ready to go back to their Greek without result.